Welcome to the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in Onyx Black. This truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple Carplay and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter and integrated braking in the center console, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4, starting off with the 20-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, paint-matched door handles, AT4 badges on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with the LEDs, Duramax turbo diesel plaques on the fenders, and around the front of the vehicle, red GMC badge in the center of the Vader chrome grille, red recovery hooks, AT4 badge in the grille as well, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around the windows. And around the rear of the vehicle, side steps built into either side of the bumper, chrome tipped exhaust, towing packages installed, chrome GMC Sierra and AT4 badge, all on GM's MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, starting off with the in-seat storage. Seats are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the middle. Rear sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the vehicle, and here in the center console, we have the controls for your heated leather seats, as well as 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.